Now let's talk weather. This is, of course, a big weather day. I know you guys have been busy, and a lot of folks are really paying attention because of what they're seeing out there right now.
Yeah, absolutely. The track out there a little bit damp for most of you heading out the door. This is not going to be an all-day rain event today, but tomorrow it's going to be a different story. So we'll walk you through it day by day, if not hour by hour. First, let me take you for a jog here to the northern Sacramento Valley from the Sutter Butte Sky Camera. It's going to rock around a little bit, as you can see some drops hitting the camera lens as we speak. Yeah, I know the northern Sacramento Valley has really been socked with this wave of rain, especially in the overnight hours and during the day yesterday. We're in the lower 50s right now, Sacramento and Stockton, upper 50s, Modesto, and 43 in Lake Tahoe. That's coming from the South Shore. It's been gusty all morning in the mountains from Truckee into Lake Tahoe. Sustained winds anywhere from 15 to 35 miles per hour. We have sustained winds with a little bit of a breeze filling into Auburn and Placerville, and the winds are just starting to pick up around Stockton and Modesto, more in that 10 to 15 mile per hour range. Been still watching the good soaking rain really impact the northern Sacramento Valley and the Coast Range. You've got some good steady rain right now that's at a moderate intensity in Lakeport, down and through Middletown, kind of like we saw yesterday morning, and some of that rain also training up into Butte County around Chico, and watching some of those lighter bands of rain extend over Yuba City and also stretching out into Grass Valley and into areas like Nevada City. Widely scattered in areas like Galt, Stockton, and off towards Modesto, and seeing some showery activity as well in parts of the foothills along and south of Highway 50. So we go into the daytime today, most of the moisture nozzle, if you will, or the fire hose, if we call it that, is going to be continuing moving to the north. So we are going to see some good breaks in the rain if you are south of Sacramento. And areas even in the foothills will see a bit of a rain break activity today. We get into Friday and that all changes. More of that band of moisture steers a little bit farther to the south. So in the mountains during the day tomorrow, it's expected to be all rainfall. Any snowflakes will fly at elevations above 8,000 feet. We get to the day on Saturday, some colder air starts to work in. That snow level starts to drop down again. And we have widespread rain first thing on Saturday morning, clearing out by later in the afternoon. Let's go through some of the projected numbers because this kind of keeps changing as well. As we go into the day ahead today, the 24-hour rainfall totals will look something like this. Quarter to maybe closer to half an inch in parts of Sacramento County. A little bit more than that as we go up towards Yuba City, pushing closer to an inch. Auburn could see maybe half an inch or up to an inch. And then areas like Quincy, it's rain for you today. You're going to see several inches of rainfall into the afternoon. For your Friday forecast, look at this. By Friday evening, we're talking much more rainfall moving into Sacramento and points north up through Yuba City, maybe in the range there of 1.5 inches to maybe 2 inches plus in Yuba City, and then lighter amounts as you go south of Sacramento off towards Stockton and Modesto tomorrow. So we do have more active weather ahead. I think tomorrow we will see a bit more widespread rain coverage, and then on Saturday and Sunday things will be more on again, off again periods of showers. We could see more impactful rain overnight Sunday and into Monday. But beyond Monday, which of course is a big travel week next week, things are looking drier at this point in the forecast.
Okay.